Introducing the Solax Transformer Comfort Pro, luxury at its finest. The remote-operated Transformer Comfort Pro automatically folds and unfolds at the push of a button. This top-selling electric travel scooter is compact and lightweight. At only 29 kg, this travel scooter can be easily loaded into the back of most vehicles. The Comfort Pro has a futuristic design with a powder-coated aluminium frame and a stylish geometric rear shroud that brings an updated, contemporary look to the well-loved scooter. Charging your scooter has never been easier thanks to its easily accessibly charging port, now located on the dashboard with an easy reach, no bending required. This scooter comes with a lightweight, powerful lithium-ion battery that meets all guidelines for airline travel, and the impressive 15 km battery range is sure to get you through a full day of adventures. The battery's compact design makes it easy for you to carry a spare to double your distance. It features a roomy cushion seat complete with folding armrests for comfort. The two-way adjustable tiller can be customized as needed to find your perfect fit. Operating the Transformer is simple and safe. Using the key-controlled unit with paddle acceleration, speed control, horn and USB charger. The modern digital display monitors the battery life and includes a trip meter and speedometer. The powerful, durable and stable Transformer Comfort Pro is designed to take you where you need to go both day and night. Just turn on the LED headlight to light your way. And now with front and rear suspension, you can always expect a smooth and pleasant ride. Once folded, the unique design allows you to roll the scooter as you would a suitcase, making it perfect for travel on planes, trains, cruise ships, buses or caravans and motorhomes. Like all Solax scooters, the Transformer Comfort Pro also allows for easy manual folding. This comes in handy if you run out of battery or need to remove the battery for travel at the airport. Keep in mind, if you unfold the scooter manually, it's best practice to also unfold it manually to ensure your folding mechanism engages correctly. It's compact, easy to use, transport and store. Call your local Solax dealer today to begin your path to a more mobile and happier future. Brought to you by Wholesale Mobility, your one-stop shop for all things mobility.